YouTube? This is Bonkisha on Javon's channel. So, as you can see, a bitch is bad. Like, and who? Uh-oh. Just making sure. But today, bitch.
We're cooking, we all up in the kitchen. We cooking, we finna smack these bitches.
But, so, we finna cook some curry chicken today. Yeah, bitch, curry chicken, you know. Let me go get the ingredients ready because literally, I just started recording. Okay. We need some onions and some potatoes. Broccoli optional, but bitch, I like broccoli, so. Chicken, obviously, the fuck. So then we got some minced garlic and some butter. You know, I'm putting some sour cream up in it. Y'all gonna see. Y'all finna see. Comment below how much I think I paid for this wig. So then I'm gonna get the seasoning, you know? Well, I thought the dishes was done, but cause I just did them last night, but I guess I gotta do them some more so I can clean this chicken. Where is the sponge? Let's get into it. De-thawed, you know, thawed out chicken. And I'm finna dump this bitch right up in the thing. You know, grab your dish soap and bleach and then just scrub the chicken thoroughly for 5 minutes and your chicken's clean and ready to eat. Lysol works perfectly fine. Okay, now the chicken's thawed out, we're ready to eat it. No seasonings or anything. Seasonings are too spicy for my family, so we just like to go the natural way, the GMO-free way, and eat it raw. The first thing you're gonna start off with is some salt, pepper, spice, little bit spice, not too much spice. It's not spicy. I'm black, so Sazon goes on everything, period.
Sazon it up, hey, sazon it up, hey, yo fuck it up, hey, sazon it up, hey, sazon it up.
So next we gonna do some onion powder and some garlic powder because if you put an onion powder on, you put garlic powder on. Period. So I got some paprika for some spice. It's not open yet. So. And then we just gonna go in with this curry seasoning. I promise you, this should be glass. So just massage the chicken like so. I have makeup on my hands though. My family doesn't have to know that. Saturate that chicken with all them spices. Get that shit real good looking. Get rid of the flavorful bitch smelling great. Smack it a little bit. Okay. Then you just finna grab the closest pot and put it in that bitch. Bitch, let me wash my hands, bitch. Y'all got from houses where the hot water be getting too motherfucking hot and you be burning yourself? Like, you cook noodles with that shit. Like, bitch. So, I'm gonna just put that shit in there with some butter, bit of water, keep it moist. Let that slow cook for like an hour or so. Butter, bitch, we gonna do about 2 tablespoons of butter. So, we're just gonna use the butter and water and, you know, cook that bitch up. We're gonna give a little bit of this, a little bit of minced garlic. Curry what? Chicken. Oh, okay. The fuck? I like me some red potatoes, y'all. I'm not even finna flex. Them brown potatoes be tasting like dirt and Y'all better wash y'all motherfucking potatoes. Because these shit be underground, bitch. How y'all think potatoes grow underground and then y'all just be cutting them up? Bitch, y'all eating dirt. Y'all dirty. Y'all bitches dirty. Y'all is gonna see a lot more of me. Like, because Javon been trying to hide me away. Like, how was you finna do that? I'm here. Like, y'all see. Y'all motherfucking see me. And y'all gonna see me every time y'all see me. The fuck? It ain't no missing me. Bonkisha when they feel this for you hoes that asking. You hoes that keep asking, bitch. Bonkisha. Call me Keisha. Keisha. Bitch. Monet. Keisha Monet. Call me Keisha Monet, bitch. That's who I am. Bitches, oh, you work at the strip club, so you a hoe. Bitch, if that's the case, your nigga like hoes. Because he be there, and he be spending money on me. So, So now that I'm done cutting my potatoes up, I'm gonna put them in this pot, season them up a little bit, and have them boil while my chicken is cooking. Matter of fact, I'm putting some butter up in here too, bitch. Like this side, I'm gonna show y'all. Just side like this. Y'all know how to peel the onion now. I can't stand the onion, it burn. Yeah, it be burning. It's an onion, it's gonna burn. But then I'm just chopping these up nice and fine, you know. Nice and fine, like the niggas I like. Bitch. Yeah, these onions, damn, bitch. I'm gonna throw my onions in with my chicken now so they can kind of cook and incorporate together. We'll pour this pan into that pan. Bro, this a secret. Don't tell nobody. I be putting sugar up in my curry. Don't tell no fucking body. I'ma give us $1 for Daisy. I took the wig off because that shit was too much. So now I just look like somebody auntie, giving you face, giving you who I'm giving you her. Who is she? She is me. For our white rice, we're gonna use Great Value instant white rice, but we have name brand instant white rice. OMG. Minute. With instant white rice, bitch, each cup of rice you use a cup of water going with that. Rid of this trash. Come on, rice, yes. Ooh. Throw this in the microwave for about 10 minutes. As we wait for them to cook, you clean up your dirty ass mess, bitch, because you cooking in the kitchen and you're trying to clean up. Get the fuck out. The presentation is not that cute. I really just had to make this plate so I could show y'all, but curry chicken look like shit anyways, so it really doesn't even matter. My sister in the back. Okay. Yeah. A couple splashes of that. This good, this glass. Thank you for staying through with it, bitch. This whole fucking video, y'all real as fuck. Y'all my true fucking subscribers, right the fuck here, so like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe on this motherfucking video, bitch. Yes, okay. Bitch. Okay, I'm out. We out. Doses, bitches.